one more time. Here we go again. Out here working on this driveway. Let me try to get down here. I really can't see, but you can see how dirty it was. That's how it looks now. Alright, coming right along here. That's a red delicious apple tree I planted here a while back. Just now beginning to put out. Over here is a small Granny Smith apple that I bought. He's just now starting to put out. Coming back over here. Coming up on this Burbank plum here. He's putting out and doing good there. Coming on over here now to this pear tree. See if we can get a video of him. There's the red tag at the bottom. Gonna put out real good there. And right on over here, I'm sure you can't see it. Yeah, it's a little fig tree there. And he got a leaf or two on him.